Hi everyone, today we'll be replacing the batteries cell in the fossil Q master. So like last time, about a year back, I kind of changed the battery cells in my watch. This one, it was working fine, so I thought I'll just make a video the same day this watch stopped functioning because of the dead battery. So we'll do that. So the first thing is to unscrew these 4 screws out here. Then using this wedge gap, we have to twist and open this. So we'll do that. Allow me to unscrew and then continue. So using a 4-star screw, I've unscrewed these 1 2 3 4 screws. I've also used a regular coin to rotate this and slide open this section, and now basically this is free. I'll just unscrew it and open it. So there you see it. This is the circuitry in a fossil Q master, crew master Q. So I'll just remove this old cell that I was using, which is a Renata. These cells come standard with fossil watches as well, so we're not using that now. This time I'm trying a Panasonic, the same 3-volt CR 2430, but I'm doing it with a Panasonic this time. So I'll just give this a clean and then I'll continue. So yeah, I have successfully screwed all the points, and I'll just give a check to the watch. I'll reverse it for you. I've switched the flash off so there's no reflection on the surface, and you can see successfully the watch is functioning and it's working fine. So successfully we've changed the battery cells after a year and they're working fine. Thank you for the video.